the way I define leadership in franchise is based on three pillars. The one is competency as a franchisor. See, like the basic stuff. Are you competent in franchising? You can name whatever you want there. It's more technical than everything. The two other parts, they're like critical and they're interlinked. The one is connection. And connection goes to, there's a lot of, it's very deep as connection. And the last one is building trust. Okay, so if you put yourself in the shoes of a franchisee, the first question they will ask you is, are you competent so I can trust you? And how can we develop that together? It's not like you and is I need you, but also the franchisor who understand the game I'll say I need you too. See, so but the point there, the difference is the connection part. Too often I see franchisor undermining that element. And it's costly in time, not necessarily in money, but in time. See, they have a process for to communicate, but they don't communicate. They publish information. They don't have this this feedback thing well implemented in their franchise system. And the practices say you should have, for an example, an advisory committee and blah blah blah. I don't really believe in that.